Welcome back guys. In this video we're going to use DaVinci Resolve to do a cool neon text effect. So here we are in DaVinci Resolve and I'm going to use this nice clip of the Eiffel Tower all sparkling at night. So the first thing we want to do is go down to the bottom here, open up the Fusion page. And we want to add a text node. Make sure the inspector's open and let's type in neon text. Enlarge it. Okay, now we're going to go to shading. Select element 1 and choose this outline. Bring the thickness down a little bit. I'm going to choose element 2, click enabled, and choose a cool colour. Now we're going to bring the softness up a little bit. Bring that glow up a bit. Change that colour to a nice, something that matches. Maybe a nice gold colour. Okay, back to the cut page, and the end result looks like this. So if you have any questions at all, ask me in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time.